The biggest updates about cryptocurrencies usually come with some technological advancements, partnerships, or a push from one of the most influential people in the world. However, what do you think must have been the cause for XRP to gain such high values? Is it the technology, new partnerships, or is it just hype? Well, what if we tell you it is a combination of more than one factor? Stay tuned till the end, and you will learn all you need to know. But first, we are giving away $500 at the end of the month to one random subscriber to continue on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section.
Hey guys, have you ever heard about Stablepool? If you own XRP and are interested in making constant money on exchanges like 1inch, Uniswap and Co., then this website is perfect for you. After having to sign up to the site with your email, you can simply go to Top Up and select the currency and the amount of it that you want to deposit on the site. Now go to Open DeFi Staking or add liquidity in Liquidity Pool. The site shows you how much of that amount you'll earn as interest within 12 hours, usually around 0.1 to 0.2%. Within 1 year, you'll have made 2x without any risk, which helped the site receive more than $80 million within the first week. And the best part, if you sign up until October 31st, you'll receive $50 in a random cryptocurrency for free.
Welcome, XRP Army. Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribe. Today's video will give you an insight on everything that has been happening very lately with it, and we will be relating it to the latest price actions to understand the effect that those updates have had on the prices. Our objective is to provide you with the best content, to help you make a good decision, and keep advancing with your financial portfolio. If this has been one of your topmost priorities, you have come to the right place. Leave us a comment and let us know what you feel about the XRP. Let us get into the video and get you prepared for the upcoming price actions. The accessibility being provided by RippleNet is one of the most intriguing things that the crypto industry could ever provide. The reliability in systems, faster processing speeds, and higher transaction maturity rates are the factors that form essential to determine the kind of progress that a particular cryptocurrency will make in the times ahead. Based on these factors, these cryptocurrencies are evaluated at various levels, and it results in a higher number of opportunities for those cryptocurrencies that do stand out from the crowd. One such technology is being developed by RippleNet, and this is exactly the reason why it has been gaining a huge number of partnerships, opportunities, and offers from companies worldwide, in most cases, the financial institutions. Al Ansari, for example, is one of the exchanges that has started to tap RippleNet Cloud to enable cross-border remittances to Malaysia with MoneyMatch. Along with us telling you about this news, we think it will be beneficial if we tell you about the news that came up just before the Ripple versus SEC came up in the courts. It was noticed back then that Ripple had a regional headquarters strategically placed in Dubai. Also, there are more than 2,000 other businesses that purely focus on fintech that makes the situation more favorable to execute the kind of task they have been looking for. This assures ample technical know-how and human resource to accomplish the task they look forward to achieving and hence, make the impact they have been waiting for. With such a high number of people working together for a similar cause, they seem to have chosen a good place to make the developments that will help them develop. The tapping of RippleNet will allow them to provide same-day remittances to Malaysia, which will help them develop a very good ecosystem. The service that is being developed will support the transactions that are dealt with in the Malaysian ringgit. It will also be able to support more currencies, where the next one scheduled is the Brunei dollar followed by the Australian dollar. The system they had before Ripple came on board took a lot longer and was not really the kind of experience you may have. To tackle these issues, the technology provided by RippleNet was introduced, which helped them gain all the advantages provided by Ripple. The fact that the technology being used by Ripple is much more superior than anything else found elsewhere is what makes them a better choice against the other competitors. The higher flexibility, cloud computing facilities without the burden of hardware management makes the process seem much easier to manage and process. Al Ansari is also known for being one of the longest-standing exchanges in the region, making a perfect venue for deals of such nature that hold a high value. The financial services that they provide are best in class and make sure that they do not compromise on the quality being offered by them. Let us look into how this has been affecting the prices of the XRP and the manner in which we think the charts will react. Different analysts have taken their own views on how this will affect the market in the long term. While most of them were bullish about these deals, They seem to be concerned about the lawsuit going on, and this concern is perhaps a very genuine one. The reason why the prices are not being able to push the way they must under normal circumstances is due to the high fear that is there in the market. With the case still pending and SEC doing everything it can to take down the XRP, there seems to be a lot of doubt on which way things could proceed here on. Credible Crypto says that XRP will melt faces. Now, what exactly does he mean by that? Let us try to figure it out through the chart in his tweet. Looking closely at the 3-week time frame, he was happy about the manner in which the chart has been performing in recent times. He says that he does not find the reason why others are finding a bearish tendency off from the chart that has been shown here. This, according to him, is a very good situation that will melt faces as soon as it starts to break off. We think that the XRP will certainly have a huge impact on the charts as soon as the price breaks off. In case the prices do break off and start rising, we will be noticing a spike in the prices that may help this cryptocurrency continue the bullish run ahead. However, interestingly, this will then be supplemented by a few more factors that shall be discussed herein. We have another partnership that will certainly help in boosting the prices off to the higher marks in a rather fast manner. The partnership between Tranglo and Ripple will certainly set off a new record high. It has already started to scale to new heights in the Asia Pacific. Tranglo has also been speaking about the manner in which they will be using XRP. It is quite interesting to find out the numerous use cases that are present, because of the versatile character that the XRP has. This perhaps is the major cause for the recognition throughout the world. The recognition, primarily from the financial institutions, has made things flow much smoother for Ripple and XRP. The only hurdle, as we mentioned earlier, is the lawsuit against the SEC. While numerous partnerships commence with Ripple, there seems to be a doubt on what exactly could be the real reason for the SEC to have bitten hard on XRP and not let go. The real reason is still unknown. However, the chances are that we might be able to see a major turn of events as the case proceeds with the latest facts and developments that it has been making. Companies like BKK Forex, Siam Commercial Bank, and so on have already benefited from the kind of technology being provided. This proves the use of XRP to have commenced and been successful even as we speak. The high utility being provided by this cryptocurrency, along with a higher trust that the community has been showing in XRP, is one of the core strengths of XRP. The fact that even when a lot of the projects are on a halt, and the prices are being able to adapt and improvise, makes them reliable in the long term. The use cases being put into at this moment reduce the speculations and hence, also makes it predictable to a great extent. All these factors make it a perfect fit for the purpose it may solve in the market. The Philippines is the third largest remittance corridor, widens the number of opportunities that it may have and hence increases the chances to prosper while the transactions keep growing at 130% year over year in the Asian regions. Do you invest in XRP? Let us know. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 more videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Before we leave, kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.